Ay, yung kitang-kita ah, kung paano siya, burger. Nalulungkot. Talaga nakikita mo. Oo. Yung burger nga, naamoy mo. Ha? Nasa lamesa. Ano ulam mo? So, yan. Ang kanyang emote. Nakakala mo is nag-enjoy sila. Pero ang totoo, talagang makikita mo sa itsura ni Mateo ang kanyang kalungkutan. Ayan, patanaw-tanaw siya kasi nga ayaw niya daw pumatak yung luha niya dahil naalala niya si Daddy. Tapos, ayan, nakatulala lang. Nakakalungkot kasi nga makikita mo talaga kay Mateo na miss niya na ang kamay nila. So, pinapakanta ko sila dyan ng lilim. So, ayan, tamang kantahan. Kaya lang mapapansin niyo talaga si Mateo na nalulungkot na siya. Kaya naka-assign na lang siya sa akin kasi sabi niya dyan is si Samantha daw nakakapagtaka kasi every Sunday na magsisimba sila, nagugulat daw siya dahil bigla-bigla na lang daw siya nahihilo kaya sinasamahan daw siya ng devil. Kaya tawa ko ng tawa. Ay, pipigil lang si Mateo na kanyang luhatot. Ay ko, nasakit ang ugat ko. Excuse. Pantay na si Kaldoro. Aking Kaldong iiyak na yan. Pinipigilan niya lang. Pinagtatapon ko na. Wala na. Paano mo kasi magagamit yan? Di mo naman charge toklong. Huwag mong iaalis yung ipasok mo lang siya sa lalagyan. Ang lakas yung asar lang nito ito. Ang kulit na yung chakto niya. Makikita mo sa kanya na talagang makulentong. Ayan. Ayan, di ba? Mapapansin niya sa mga mata ni Mateo. Sabi niya, Mama, pinipigilan ko lang yung luha ko, pero hindi ko mapigilan. Bigla-bigla na lang siya pumapatak. Tot na batang tot. So, ayan guys, makikita niyo kung paano siya nalulungkota dahil wala sila at wala siyang kalam lang na dyan na sila tutira ng Batangas. So, hindi ko rin in-expect na after 10 years is babalik po sila sa Longga na kanilang pinanggalingan. Hi. Hello. Yeah, Ming Ming. No, I'm here. Hi. I'm here only. I think they want to. Yala ka. Come here. The mama. 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 Meow. She did not see me. What? Ah, what happened? Huh? Oh, you want me to touch you? Oh, Yella, come. Come. Good boy. Come. Come. Come, baby. Oh, be careful. Mm-hmm. Oh. That's it. I want to touch you all here in my hands. Come here in my hands. Come. Only head. Ah, you're so far. So, what's up, bro? How's your vacation? I gave you already, Ming Ming. See, the cat. Crazy. What we call it? Trika! See, mataba. Have another egg. But still, it's broken. Oh, see? Buriko, wawa. It's one egg again. I thought it's a boy. Why you have egg? Ah! Ay! 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 You want me to touch? Come. Come here. Boy. Good boy. Good boy. A good boy. Hey, I give you kalas. What? You want more? Ah, very good. You have baby. You have 3 baby, Rico. Ah, see mataba. Why you have an egg but still not become a baby? Purika. Chicka 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 choo. Chicka 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 choo. Gosh. Wala na yan. Ito naman. Finish. Yala, take this one. Drink water. Ash, you're not done. Ah, you need to finish. See, Pearl? She did not finish yet. Hi! Naman, lumayas na. Yala, baby, eat. I can't talk because if I talk too much, she will go. That's why. See, I'm just waiting her. Yala, it's okay. Yala, eat. It's okay. If she sees if she heard something, she stopped eating. So that's why I can't talk. Now she has she's full, but still I can talk well. Shh, she go. Can eat. It's okay. See, now they eat. And this time, this one I will give or cut outside because this one is from my mom. So you need to change. I change your food for mom outside. English Carabao. Yala, drink water. Yeah, drink. Yala, drink. Drink na. Drink na, Pearl. Good girl. Finish na? Oh, see the other one. Make it kaka. Yeah. Poo-poo. It's look like me after she eat. And then she make poo. Happy? Happy? Good girl. Finish. You pull. You pull already? Huh? You pull na. You pull. Kiss na, kiss. Bye-bye, Princess Samantha Mateo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ah! Ayaw niya. Bye. So, finish. Pull. Pull na. Yummy, yummy. Yala, go. Go, ma'am. You still drinking? So, Pearl, she liked the water. And Ash, she liked to poo. Ang aming Pearl. Pearly Pearl. Oh. Feel better. Oh. So this is Pearl. It look like crying. Bye, let's go. Come here, outside. Yalla, come. Ashi, where are you? Ashi. Ashi, Ashi. Ulaga. So, andun siya. Yalla, bye guys. Magpapalaman naman tayo ng cat sa labas. So, ayan ang ating family cat. Where's the other one? Yeah. Where's the other one? Come. Yan na. It's okay. Where's your sister? Patay ng tubig. Yalaming! Hey! Nakuha tayo ng tubig. At lalagyan natin sila ng water. So, malinis naman siya. Hi!
Ming. Yala. Eat na, baby. Yala. Bye. Bye-bye. Meow. Where's the other one? Call your baby. Yala, I need to sit here. Yala, it's okay, guys. Just eat. And after that, you need to drink the water, okay? But ang daming ipit. Yala, Pearl. It's okay, yala. I'm stay here. And now, see, they started to eat the food for outside. Yala, eat. Yala, yala, baby. Yala, eat na. Here. Ano nyo, hindi nyo kinain, no? Diba? And now we're waiting. Yala! Yummy, yummy! Hindi nyo talaga kinain yung food nyo. Try. Bird. Yummy, yummy! Wala, try natin kasi hindi nila kinakain yung food nila. It's aircon. Galaw-galaw ang puwet. Where you go? Chuka, 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 chuka. So, where are you, Ash? Yala, go hammam. Make it pee. Yala. Where you go? Pearl. Let's be able to try. Only Ash. But Pearl, she don't like. Sometimes she eat one pieces. Come. She ignored. Maybe she said. Wait, we try this one. Come here. Come. So I put already. Sharing is caring. So share lang sila ni Ash. Kawawa naman si Ash, yung nalalaglag lang yung kanya. Part. Baby. Now we have routine. Come. We have routine for this trimmer. I don't know why she did not eat well too much the regular food. And then this time every 6 p.m. Come, Ash. Who wants this one? See? They want this one. They're waiting me at the night just to give them later. Yay! So excited. Wait, we will open. Wow! Yummy, yummy! Enough? Too much? Too much? Oh, so sweet. And but I clean too much because this water it's not enough until in the morning. I don't know. I drink a lot of water.
Ta-da! Birthdays. Rice with chicken vegetable. So tara, kain tayo for my 3 days.
I cleaned the old one and then now she drink because this one when I wake up in the morning it's look like finished. So I made 2 bottles of water for them. She's so enjoying because if it's okay, I'll drink. That's why I don't want to talk too much because it is dark. It's raining. So, Rico's eating the cucumber. So he's enjoying. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, Rico. Lag-lag mo na. So cute. Fine. See? It's done. We try to give it again if he can. Oh, finish already so fast. Just now I give. Ah, you still want? You still want? Huh? Yummy, yummy. Eureka. Huh? See, he don't like this one. But if you give a new one, he will take it. See. He want me to touch. Hello, good boy. I touch him already. You know where he is? He's inside in the cabinet. يلا. Oops. Ashi, come. So, they will eat and drink water now. Charan!
Nai-spoiled na ako sa mga pagkain dito. My hands. Shing, 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 shing. It's a sour santol and then I eat it. English muna tayo, guys. So, I wanna broken this side, and then this, and then I eat. This seed is so creamy and sweet, but this is sour ever. And my sauce is soy sauce with sugar level. Okay, guys.
This is enough. You don't have to put too much, they don't eat a lot, and then if it goes stale, they won't eat it later. So just that much, it's enough.
Sabi ko, kapag may binigay si mataba, may iuutos din siya. So yan, nagpapaluto ng chicken nuggets. So, luto na siya. Isi-serve ko na siya. So, mabilis lang naman. May bisita. Princess! Another blessing na naman. So, ayan yung mga pusa na inaalagaan ko. Mga pusang gala. So, 3 sila. 2 yung anak nila. Ayan. Kaso kapag nilalapitan ko sila, nagtatakbuhan. Kasi hindi sanay sa tao yung 2 baby. So, yung nanay lang ang lagi kong kasama. And then, dahil dyan, taran! May bago na naman tayong hadiah. Kabibigay lang sa akin. Pero syempre, last na to. Kasi binigyan na nila ako. Naka 200 din si mama sa araw na to. So, malaki na rin. Pambili ng lotion. So, yan lang. Babush.